proceed. So next comes is when should I use this Apex. So what will be those points in which case I will going to think to use or go with the Apex code. Okay, so as we already having the different configurations although in the admin, so still why there will be the need of the Apex, or what will be those points in which case scenario I will going to think to go with the Apex. So the first comes is you need to need custom business logic or the complex calculations. So for the calculations we are also having the formula fields, right? But again there is also the character limits is also there, and much complex calculations can also not be performed using the formula fields. What if I want to calculate the formula based on the related records? Okay, so all these some of the points or the limits are there which cannot be done because of the some of the limits which were added, like the character limit or the that complex scenarios you cannot perform using formula fields. So in such cases we will going to take help of the Apex, in which any kind of complexity is there, you can easily able to implement your business logic accordingly. Now the next is automation is required based on the data changes like triggers. So for the data changes, we are also having the record triggered flow. But again in the record triggered flow or in the flows also some limits are there. And when it comes to the complex scenarios, okay, like when the data is large in number and or we need to work with the related objects also. So in all such cases, we need to take help of the Apex. And for the automation purpose, we are having the Apex triggers in the Apex. Now the custom user interfaces or the pages are needed, like the Aura, Lightning pages and the VF pages. So for this in the configuration we are having the screen flows. Okay. Now the next same point comes when the some complex pages I need to create, then how you will going to create it using the screen flows. So how you will going to achieve this? We will going to now achieve this with the help of Apex only, light using the Lightning pages. Okay, it can be Aura, Web or the VF pages. Now the web services. Integration with the external system is needed. So whenever we used to set up any integration of Salesforce with the external system, so in such cases to get the data or to send the data to the external services, we will going to take help of Apex classes, and using this web services classes, we will going to establish or implement the integration process. Now the large scales data processing, yes, so yes, there when we used to have the old orgs, so in that org if you will see there is a larger data used to be there. Now in these larger data we need to implement our logic, and which is very difficult to handle with the configuration part, like using the flows or the formula fields and all. So next again you will going to take help of Apex here. Okay, now the next is also related to the integration. Dynamic code or queries are needed. So in this case also we will going to take help of Apex. Now encryption, security or cross-object logics is required. Then again, we will going to take help of this Apex. So these are the points in which we will going to take help of the Apex classes.